To Panama, a country renowned for its canal, its hats and, until recently, its financial secrecy.
A huge leak of secret records has revealed how the globe's rich and powerful hide their money in foreign tax havens.
The biggest leak in history. That's the label which has been put on these revelations about a Panama-based law firm.
Mossack Fonseca has registered over 200,000 companies, trusts and foundations in secretive jurisdictions. Named in the leak are some of the world's wealthiest people, cronies of Russian President Vladimir Putin, China's elite, Iceland's Prime Minister and FIFA executives.
FIFA executives? Well, clearly this is as dodgy as football's governing body. The firm even helped Jackie Chan set up 6 companies. Damn it, Jackie! You told me you did all your own stunts. And as a result of the leaks, the tax office is also investigating 800 Australians. Now, their names have not been made public, but I am happy to speculate. I'm being told I'm not happy to speculate. Nonetheless, some Australian companies are involved.
The Australian connections include BHP Billiton, Wilson Security, a major electricity company.
Wilson Security, which guards the Australian Tax Office, the Defence Department and Australia's offshore detention centres, uses the services of Mossack Fonseca.
They guard the tax department? Come on, ATO, they were right under your noses. Guarding your noses. It was also revealed that Wilson Security's offshore holding company was originally named Covert Investments. Hey, Steve, did you come up with a name for our covert investment company? Yeah, get this. Covert Investments. I'll tell you what, I'm going to name the secret companies from now on. OK, Steve? The Prime Minister of Iceland was hit with allegations during an interview which he thought was about Iceland's role during the GFC. But just watch this textbook example of how to handle the media.
Well, in Iceland, like in most Nordic societies, or all Nordic societies, I suppose, we attach a lot of importance to everybody paying his share. So when somebody is cheating the rest of society, it is taken very seriously.
Step 1, dig an inescapable hole. Step 2, jump in that hole.
What about yourself, Mr. Prime Minister? Have you or did you have any connections yourself to an offshore company?
Myself? Well, the Icelandic companies, I have worked with Icelandic companies, had connections with offshore companies, even what's it called, the workers' unions. It's an unusual question for an Icelandic politician to get. It's almost like being accused of something.
Yes. Now you're getting it. He's moved on to step 3, realising you're being accused of something. Time to move to step 4, switch languages, blame the missus and run away.
Konan mín seldi hlut í fjölskyldufyrirtækinu, það fór í einhverja umsjón bankanum, ég kann ekki einu svona á þetta allt saman, en allt gefið upp til skatts frá upphafi. Og ég meina...
the shopping, dropping off the kids, the offshore companies. It's women's work. It's women's work. I think I hear my car alarms. I have to jump out this window. Yay, Iceland! So that was the interview. Let's see how it worked out for the PM.
Good morning, everyone. In news overnight, Iceland's Prime Minister has resigned.
Yes. Wonderful. But the big winner is the Panamanian law firm of Mossack Fonseca. Now that their business practices are out in the open, they're finally free to start advertising.
Is gold bullion cluttering up your summer palace? Embarrassed you're selling arms to both sides of the Syrian civil war? Or are you just a dictator saving up for a nest egg before the revolution comes? There's only one place to turn, Mossack Fonseca, on 1-800-HAVEN. For our team of dedicated, unidentifiable lawyers, no hidden fortune is too big.
Hiding my money was like trying to remove blood from a blood diamond. But thanks to Mossack Fonseca, I am richest man in Africa with a big boat, even though my country doesn't have water for a boat.
Россия сама является жертвой международного терроризма. Одна из первых таких жертв. Apparently, I am the CEO of 6 of the richest companies in the world, but I can't tell anyone. Or Mossack Fonseca said they'll take my grandchildren.
Just call 1-800-HAVEN. Mossack Fonseca. What money?